boom, 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 boom.
Hi, my name is Rahma. And I'm Karima. And today we are doing the pizza challenge. Bags with numbers on it. I bet you're wondering why. So we have a bowl with little folded papers and it has numbers inside. So whatever number we pick, we will grab that bag and we will have a mystery ingredient that we will add to our pizza. Start off with a normal pizza with sauce and cheese. Now we're gonna start with the sauce and the cheese. Oh, why is the sauce so liquidy? Oh my god. The sauce smells so good. Oh yeah, it is liquid. And it has chunks. Chunks. I like that sound. Cheese! I go overboard with cheese. Either we're making pizza or lasagna. It's always cheesy. It has to be cheesy. It's one of the main ingredients. Okay. Yay. Okay. I finished. There. I have the odd ones and she has the even ones. So, rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Okay, I guess you're starting. I go first. Grab a mystery number. Please be good. What is it? It is 6. 6. Okay. I have 6. Oh my god! Okay, I hate mushrooms. I got mushrooms, guys. I honestly like mushrooms. Gee, I don't know. Why do you not like mushrooms? It's a fungus. Okay, my turn. I want you to get something bad, like mushroom bad for you. 10. You got 10. 10. It's light. Ah! The worst part that it's big. I don't like these. I mean, like, it's a good side for a pizza, but not like a topping for a pizza. I would put a little bit. I like spicy Cheetos. I would like, yeah, I love spicy Cheetos. That's the only chip you eat. I know. So, okay, I think that's enough. Wait, I'm done. Okay, so my turn. The second ingredient. Please be a good one. Okay. 11. You have it. Where is it? 11. Here you go. Thank you. Tuna! Tuna. Okay. I wanted tuna. Yeah. If you don't know, it says lemon pepper tuna. Okay. Burritos with tuna. It tastes so good. I like barbecue chips with tuna. It's so good. I don't like barbecue chips at all. I mean, like, I don't like barbecue chips in general, but I mean, like, I like kettle cooked barbecue chips. Okay, I think that's enough. My turn. I'll take this one. 5. chocolate and cheese. It's like a chocolate cheesecake, kind of. That's enough. That's all. No, leave it alone. Okay, yeah. Okay. Mine is more pizza than yours. Okay, let's go. Good one, please. Oh my god, these are so tiny. Okay, one. Here you go. No! I wanted Oreos. I got Oreos. Oreos and tuna. I mean, oh my god. It could taste good. Mine looks pretty okay so far. Yours is creeping me out. No! What is it? Crispy beets. I don't know what this is. Is it like a salad kind of thing? Is it? It's for salad. I've never tasted beets. Good luck. Why did we get this? It smells like croutons. Ew. I'll eat one if you eat one. Okay. They're actually pretty good. Okay, this is gonna be like all I'm using. No, you can't do that. It's like, fine, this much. More. Okay, that's enough. That's it for me. That's it. Okay. Oh God. Mine looks disgusting. Okay. Please be good. It's like something sweet again or something. 9. Oh God. No! I want those. It's chocolate sauce. I'm so sad. Why? Because look at this. I mean, like mushrooms and chocolate sauce. Squeeze. Oh, that is actually like really thick. Okay, that's enough. It smells good. Does it taste good though? Oh, actually, I really folded these. 2. Wow. Here you go. Why? Why me? Why me? Why don't? I thought you liked mushroom. I hate mustard. The only thing I use like ketchup and barbecue. I like honey mustard. I guess this is. I'm gonna just like. Okay. There. That's all that. Okay, my turn. Oh, there's 4 more left. So 2 ingredients each. You took like the chocolate ones I wanted. Is there any more chocolate ones I wanted? I hope so. 4. Shoot it. 4. Ooh. Mine smells so weird. What is this? It's banana chips. I don't like these banana chips. Why? Especially, I like homemade banana chips. Like that, you're asking for too much work. I can make it. I mean, like, it's so good. No. Anyway, comment down below if you like banana chips. I bet nobody ever tasted them. You're like, what is that? Okay, that's enough. That's enough, you say. Okay, I hope I get a good one. So it's like, all I got was good except the banana chips. Oh, this is pineapples! That's fine. I need a can of banana. Okay. big. I hope that all the flavor drains out the beets and mustard. Okay, that's enough pineapples. Oh my god, you're folding Karima. 12. It feels heavy. It looks heavy. It is heavy. Wow. They're prunes. I like prunes, but I don't know how good it will taste on pizza. It's the feeling is like what? Can you guys hear an oven in the background? That's the last one. I am so. Are you serious? Are you serious? You got like all the sauces. I only got one. I can still smell the mustard. Okay. Isn't it? I got it. I don't mind ketchup. I don't know, is there such thing as ketchup pizza? Is there? There's ketchup chips. I don't like ketchup chips. Ketchup chips are... Put it on the pie. My pizza, I mean like all the ingredients I got were okay, except the banana chips. And maybe the mushrooms. I don't know what's wrong with the mushrooms, they just look weird. So this is my pizza, yay! So mine, it looked appetizing from the start, but when the mustard came in and the ketchup, I started to worry, especially the beets. You go first. No, we're gonna do it at the same time. Okay? I feel bad for myself. Ready? Ready, Karima? 1, 2, 3. Ha! Oh, it's crunchy. The mushrooms are crunchy. It's not that bad. But I would not eat it all, like the whole slice. No, I don't like it. It's disgusting. You want to switch? No, I don't want to. Don't! We have reached the end of our pizza challenge video. Hope you guys enjoyed us suffering. And now we're gonna go order some real pizza.